Hi everybody, it's Janice Thompson from JazzleDazzleCraft.co.uk. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and I work in Scotland. And today I'm filming all your exclusive videos. Well, they're exclusive for the first couple of months anyway. To show you how to make. The first video is the first card in the Artistry Blooms Sweet card kit. And first of all, thank you so much for purchasing from me, everybody. You really are supporting my business, and it is growing. My team's growing. My business is growing month on month, and I really, really appreciate it. And hopefully within a few months I might be able to change to being a full-time demonstrator. Who knows? I'm not going to count on that, but if it keeps going and I keep working hard, then that it will be. Anyway, first card is a simple one. It's a style I use a lot, but I think it's really effective and it's a good way to start with a new stamp set. Hopefully the kits are sparking you off to use the stamp sets that come with them in lots of different ways. So first of all, I've made a thank you card there. Well, thank yous are one that I use a lot, so I'm just going to make another thank you. These sentiments are more to use when you've die cut the full bouquet, although you could hand cut them and use them. But they come, as you'll see, they come as a double sentiment, which is good, but I just want to keep it simple here. So I'm just going to go for another thank you card, because I can use thank you cards. It might appear in a parcel to you in the future. I never know. I use a lot of thank you cards, and for that I'm grateful. So thank you. It's nice to have a stamp set that's got some imagery and some sentiments, and then you can kind of do everything you need with. So you've got you've got birthday there, you've got congratulations, and you've got thank you, you've got friend, hello. So there's plenty you can do with that. So this is the simplest of cards that I make. It's the layer is 9.7 by 14 centimeters, and I'm just using Memento, but you can use any colour. It's just a monochrome card. Any colour will do. I may well have done one recently. So anyway, so just aiming the thank you towards the middle of the card, but you could have it anywhere. You can make your focal point where you want, but I kind of think just to get warmed up, the middle works fine. So there's your sentiment on, and then I just need a big block. I don't know if this one's big enough or not to get the large stamp, the large flower stamp out. I've been hunting for that all week. That's right, this is looking wet. Well, it's not smelly. I thought it might have been smelly. I've been hunting for this chamois. I didn't know where that had gone when I finished crafting. I shut it away in the stamp set. I knew that I would find it. Everything, nearly everything I've lost, I've found eventually, except for the V out of my alphabet stamp set, the little V. That's annoying. I'm going to ink up the stamp. Oh, it's suddenly got awfully warm in here. Weird. Right, because it's not that, it's wet. Pretty yucky here in Scotland. Anyhow, so then I just ink that stamp up and I just stamp off all the way round. Even like that, it's just lovely. The detail in this stamp, and obviously if you use the Memento, you can then colour it in with your blends. It was really quite easy. So if you're all in my Jazzle Dazzle and Friends craft group, will you share some of the things you've been making with your kits? It doesn't matter if you've not followed my instructions, if you've done your own thing with them, that's fine. That's absolutely fabulous too. Because these ideas are really just to get you kicked off. But you can always do alternatives. I don't need so much ink, I just was going to put a wee bit there. So wee overlap doesn't matter too much. And basically just leave it at that. I'm going to clean that stamp off. Not a good idea to put your card base on top of a damp chamois. I'm just going to clean this off and pop it away and then just show you. I mean, this is a style I often use, but you'll see that it is, if you use it with a different stamp set, it gives you a different look. That's not entirely clean, let's just give it another wee. There we go. And the thank you, I don't need that now. I'm trying to clean as I go because I'm going to try and film all the 4 projects all in one go here. I'm going to make them separate videos for you though, because, and you don't need to watch them in order then. Get that out because I'm going to be using it. So then I just take this and I just edge it by just dabbing it. You can pull it on this ink pad, but if you got in the habit of doing that, you would maybe pull on your colours, and therefore our Stampin' Up! Coloured basic ink pads are foam, and you would rip it if you drag it through. So just get in the habit of just dabbing it. And it just gives a wee definition around the edge. Just lid on your glue before you muck it up. And then it's just a matter of sticking this down on your card base, and then a few little sparkle it up. So I usually do give you a very simple, quick and easy card that you can do quickly, and it just gets you settled in. And if you want, you know, if you're needing cards in bulk, a simple card like that. Now most stamp sets, you can use that style, sentiment in the middle, stamp all round with one of the stamps out your set, and away you go. Done. That's it. And so all we need are some of the stick-on sequins that are in your pack. I gave you all, some of you got, there's 5 strips, there's 5 of them in a pack, so some of you got 2 in one colour and 3 in the other, and I just mixed them up because it's really just, it gives you a taster, and you would then know whether you want to buy more. Now I'm just going to, usually I kind like in a triangle or something. I'm just using 3 of the little ones here just to draw the eye. Let's put one up here, I think. There you go. Sticking with the rule of 3 because it's more pleasing to the eye, and although I've done them differently to that one, there it is. So there you have it, your first card done, dusted. So you've got enough in your kit to make 2 of those. And I'm sure most of you have got enough craft materials to go on and make loads. So thank you, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.